Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel UGC Net Commerce Gyan Guru. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about geographical indication of goods. Let me just quickly inform you that we have started a series where we are going to discuss the important topics of Indian knowledge management and Indian knowledge system from the exam point of view. And our target is to complete all the topic before your end exam. So subscribe our channel for upcoming videos related to IKS or Indian knowledge management. So let's just quickly start this video, geographical indication of goods. Geographical indication of goods, for example, like basmati rice from India, Darjeeling tea from Assam, champagne from France, whiskey from Scotland, feta cheese from Greece. So these are some perfect example of geographical indication of the goods. So basically, in short, geographical indication, it's basically a sign that is used on a product that have a specific geographical origin and have a certain qualities or reputation which is belong to a particular place. For example, Pashmina shawl from Kashmir, you know, or Darjeeling tea from Assam. So we need a specific quality of the soil, climate condition, and unique practice of the people, unique traditional method of the people in that region that create a product, and that is why it is unique. That is why it is unique, and it simply cannot be replicated anywhere else, right? So to fall in that category of GI goods, it must be produced, processed, or prepared in particular geographical area, or or the quality or the reputation, directly attributed to that geographical origin. So these are the perfect example of geographical indication of goods that we have discussed. Next, we have a legal framework of geographical indication of goods. So अगर हम international level की बात करें, so WTO administers the TRIPS agreement, trade related aspect of intellectual property rights. And WTO it's basically provide a framework for the protection of GIs. And in India, we have Geographical Indication of Goods Act 1999, which provide the registration and protection of GIs. Then third, we have the bilateral agreement. So many countries enter into the bilateral or multilateral agreement to recognize and protect the GIs. So for example, like EU and India have agreement to protect the specific GIs within the each other's market. So likewise, we have certain agreements, in with different countries, and we are trying to protect our GIs and their GIs in both countries. Uh, Next, registration and protection. So first step in registration is application. So producer submit the details about their product characteristics and the origin. If they think that their product they are providing a unique product to the customer, and they are they met the criteria of GIS. If they think, then they can apply. They can apply for the GI. Then second is examination. So basically, the authorities check if the product is actually a unique and it's belong to a particular reason or particular land. Then they examine. The authority will examine whether it's fall, whether it's meet the criteria of GI protection or not. Then after if it is if the product meet the criteria of GI, then third is registration. Third step is registration. So once approved, the status is granted to that particular product, and further legal enforcement can be begins if anyone try to misuse the name of that product. Then enforcement uh, begins. Now, next, let's discuss the challenges and issues related to GIs, geographical indication of goods. The first challenge is counterfeiting and misuse. So basically, the unauthorized producer often use the GI names to sell the low quality product at a very high price. So that is, major challenge we have to face is counterfeit and misuse of GI's name. Then second is international disputes. So sometimes two countries claim the same product name, leading to a very complex legal battle. So again, this is a challenge. International disputes related to a particular product. So both countries are, claiming that product is belong to their country. So it is very debatable and debatable, and it's required a very diplomatic and legal solution to this problem. Third is maintain high quality or maintain the quality standards. So maintaining the quality consistently across hundred of different local producer is basically a massive job, or you can say it's a very critical point. So maintaining the quality standard, ensuring that all the producer within the GI adheres the quality standards, and providing a unique product by keeping in mind the quality standards. So it's basically a big challenge, and it's require a very effective monitoring and enforcement mechanism to handle this issue. Next is awareness and education. So, creating the awareness among the consumer and producer about the benefits and importance of GI is very important for the effective implementations, because many producers don't even know that they have, they qualify for the protection. And likewise, many consumer even they don't aware about the label means. So we want to educate the producer and consumer. We need to educate and create an awareness among the people about the GIs and the label and what is the use, and if any producer producing a very good quality of product, or providing a unique product, then they can register themselves in the GIS, geographical indication of goods.